Situation at a Niagara County gun training facility, raising some concerns tonight for local officers and gun enthusiasts. 7 Eyewitness News reporter James Groh following this story live in Wheatfield. James?
A report released in early February by the Buffalo Customs and Border Patrol found lead contamination here at the Niagara Gun Range. This is where officers come to train. Now, 2 of them were found to have lead levels higher than agency standards, so it decided not to renew its contract with the gun range. Now, the general manager of the facility says the issue was with an air filtration system at a shooting range the Custom and Border Patrol agents use. The public is not allowed to access that same facility. Now, the general manager also says no staff members tested above normal levels, and the issue was quickly resolved.
What occurred here were a couple of spot failures of mechanical systems. Range has been professionally cleaned since the high lead levels were discovered.
Along with getting the entire facility cleaned, it also had a separate company come and test the facility. Now, the store and gun range are open to the public, and the general manager says there's no more need for concern. In North Tonawanda, James Groh, 7 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, James.